How to subscribe to a channel on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the home icon at the bottom left corner to access the main feed. Next, search for the channel you want to subscribe by using the search bar at the top or by browsing recommended content. When you reach the channel's page, look for the follow or subscribe button, usually located in the middle of the screen. Tap on it to subscribe to the channel. After subscribing, you will receive notifications and alerts whenever channel uploads new videos. This way, you will never miss trending shows, anime, music, or other content from your favorite creators. You can manage your subscription anytime by tapping on the following tab, where you will see all the channels you have subscribed to. Now you know how to subscribe to a channel on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.